This is my 2010 We the People versus. I'm gonna do a bike check on it. Let's start off with the bars. I have ODI Bar Ends, Animal Grips, We the People, the stock bars. They're 8-inch rise, and I don't know how long they are. It's Oddyssy linear slit cable. It's the Tektro whatever brake lever. This I think it's a felt stem, and then I have the Salt headset. I have Oddysey CS2 or whatever racing forks. The stock rim. What type of? Oh, it's like a refuse resist front tire. It's a folding tire. My back tires and Oddyssey 8-kin folding tire. Fly bikes pedals. Stock cranks. The bearings are stock. The felt Pivitol seat. The Tektro brakes. And the stock hub, a KMC chain, a felt chain wheel, but I also have another purple sprocket that I have extra, and it's a pretty sick bike. It's a 2010 We the People versus, and this is my bike check.